Dude, that's sick.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to Premium Lifestyle Detailing out here in Portland, Oregon. My name is Deontay Martin, and today's video, we're gonna do a follow-up on the Shop Vac that we made about 6 months ago. We're gonna be adding a little bit of a modification so we can add hot water and run hot water through our system and get a better extraction. And I'll give you guys an update of how it's been working so far because I've done dozens of cars, and so far I'm happy with it, but everything coming right up. Stay tuned. Let's just show you guys the system that we already have going on. So this is a homemade extractor. We took a rigid Shop Vac that has the 5 horsepower peak vacuum and a 2 gallon, or maybe this is 4 gallon. Yeah, it's 4 gallon tank. And we have the heavy duty orange hose connected to it. And then also the mighty extractor with the clear nozzle right here. Then we have this little coupler piece attached to the extractor. This side right here is what connects to the mighty. And then this side right here connects to main water. I just cut this off right here. I just cut it off right now to test our new system and show you guys how to get hot water hooked up. I'm really happy with this extractor setup. It has an amazing suction and unlimited water, which is great. And then I probably have to empty the tank about 2 times every single time I do a detail. So I'll do the driver's seat, passenger seat, empty it, then do the back seats and empty it. Traction on it is amazing. It stays together. It's very heavy duty setup and it works amazing. I've been using it for about 6 to 8 months now and don't have anything to complain about. So other than hot water, the only complaint I have is having hot water. I plug it into like a garden hose and I only get cold water, and having hot water just does amazing when you're like extracting dirt and grease and not having to do so many passes over your soap and stuff. TikTok came around and I saw someone add this thing on TikTok, all right? So I'm gonna show you guys how to put it together and how we're gonna get hot water through this system. Everything that I'm using in today's video is gonna be linked down below. You guys can find everything. I had an Amazon link, everything to build this setup, as well as the hot water. I bought this guy from Home Depot, but I'm sure they have it on Amazon too, so I'll find a link and link everything down below for you guys. And then after I get it all set up, we're gonna pull out my carpets and we're gonna test it out and see how it works. So definitely stay tuned to the end, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Drop a like and leave your comments down below. This is a 1 gallon and a 2 gallon. For this, we're gonna be using the 2 gallon just so we can hold more hot water. Inside, you guys are gonna find the tank, the pump, and the sprayer. We've detached the sprayer nozzle. We do not need this for the. And then what we're going to do is cut the hose. Make a nice cut. 2 little metal clamps. We'll slide them on the orange hose. That's it, guys. Took me maybe a couple minutes to put that together. All it is attaching this hose. I'm gonna add hot water into this 2 gallon tank right here. And before we pump it up, what you have to do is make sure this side is connected to the mighty, and then we'll start pumping it. Now what you guys might be thinking is you're gonna be using the mighty and working, and you're gonna lose pressure inside of this little tank right here very quickly. So there's a solution to that. I just don't have the solution here at this place, but I already bought the part. I bought the cheap part of the 2 we need. So this right here, it is a male swivel plug. So what you're gonna do is take a drill bit, like this guy right here. You will put a hole in the top of this right here. You will attach the male swivel plug onto the top right there. And then you'll need, and then you guys are gonna need air compressor. So I bought the cheap part of what I need. I don't have an air compressor yet, but you're gonna just plug in the air compressor, pump it up with air instead of having to pump, and then you're back at it. Or you can keep an air compressor plugged in and have it regulating at like 5 PSI, so then you consistently have that pressure and you never run out. And 2 gallons into the 5 gallon tank right there, I'm gonna easily be able to do the same amount of work that I would take to empty that tank, because it says 4 gallon tank, but I only fill it up to about right here with the water, because as soon as it starts filling up into that filter, it doesn't do as good of a job. So you really only put about 2 gallons into there. Okay, now I'm starting to think that this 50 feet is definitely overkill for this. I'm gonna cut this probably in half. We got ourselves a 2018 Ford Explorer time to put this new setup to the test. We got hot water in the tank. We already finished this driver's side and the passenger side right behind it. So this whole side has all been extracted, and to spill the beans, guys, I'm happy with the setup. I haven't had to pump it once, and I've already finished this seat, 100% done, the carpet underneath it, and we finished the driver's seat and the carpet down here, all done. We haven't had to pump this yet. We ended up cutting the air line for the water passage to give it instant pressure. It's a little bit longer than my hose right here. We keep the pump right here and just move it around the car as we work. And I gotta say, guys, I'm really happy with the result. So make sure you guys drop a like and enjoy the next few clips you guys see.